Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of my Siargao vlog. I didn't mean for it to be 2 parts, that's why there's no intro from me when I was there, but it was too long, so it's 2 parts. So today I start with me at the gym and then we're going on a really exciting boat trip.
Come on! 12:45. In the McElwees.
The first one was alright, the second one was alright.
Oh.
Just because it's so warm.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I done the run though.
Yeah.
I actually felt grand in the first one.
Good.
How is it?
Did it?
Lovely, lovely. Around your back there.
Oh, yourself.
Hey guys, so we actually had planned to go on a boat trip today, but then because the weather was bad yesterday, we're like, oh, we'll move it to Saturday to, you know, give it another day to clear up. But we actually woke up this morning and the sun was splitting the trees. Unreal outside, and we were like, oh, raging. But we went to the gym anyways and seen, and we were talking to one of the girls in the gym and she was like, you know, you can just go to the port and like get your own boat and just ask them to take you like where exactly you want to go. Like it's not even that much dearer than like if you were to do a boat trip. So we're going to try that now, because we were only going to do like the shorter one anyway, and obviously we'd be doing it with other people, so like you'd be like at the islands for like an hour each, when like you don't really need to be. So we're going to go down and see the crack. I don't know if we'll be able to do it or not, but yeah, we're going to go try. I'm actually ragged from that gym, but yeah, let's see if we can do it, and I'll let you know the price and all the jazz. Okay, that was literally the easiest thing ever. We just went straight to the port, walked inside, and this was the prices. We went just for the first one, it was 2,000, and then you have to pay 100 pesos each. We had to pay like 100 pesos, I think it was like environmental fee or something, I can't remember what she said, and then 2,000 for the boat, and this is us for the day. We're going to 3 different islands. So yeah, that was ridiculously easy. And this is our boat, isn't she stunning? So we have our own wee boat. This is literally the only sitting space. But we are at our first stop. Look at that, oh my god. We've been here for like 5 minutes, but it's raining, so we think we're going to skate on to the next island. This is one benefit of booking your own boat. Like we maybe would have to wait here like, I don't know, like an hour or something if we were on a thing boat, but like we kind of want to go to the next island because the rain is going that direction. So if we stay here any longer, the whole thing is just going to be all rain. We're now at island number 2. The weather is actually going the other direction, which is good. This one seems a bit more built up with the palm trees with these stalls and stuff. I think this is where everyone gets their lunch, but we don't have lunch and put it in ours because obviously we're just going ourselves. But yeah, it's cool. The water here is just the nicest water I think I've ever been in my life. It's so nice. Look at this stuff.
Stunning.
Unreal. But yeah, we're gonna go swim in the water to get to the end, and then we're gonna go to the next island.
Sweet.
Right, we're finished. That was actually so good, and I highly recommend just going and getting your own boat, and just going yourself, because now it's 2:30. We were only on that for what, 2 hours? 2.5 hours, and like we still have the rest of the day, and we had the morning and stuff. So yeah, highly recommend. Guys, we had another mare at dinner, so I got recommended a place called Kermit. Went, looked lovely. Sure, the whole of Siargao was there. Couldn't get a seat. Well, we didn't even get speaking to anyone. There was like a big massive queue, and at the front of the queue it said wait 30 minutes, but it definitely would have been way more than 30 minutes. So we just left. What a place called Backside Burger and get a vegan burger. You just getting cheese and bacon. Guys, that vegan burger was that good. I had to take it back to the till and I was like, oh, is this definitely vegan? Because it literally looked like a proper burger, because they said in the menu it was a chickpea burger, so I assumed it was going to be like, you know, like a, if you're not vegetarian you probably won't know, but like, you know when you get like the pure veg like fake burgers, like they're not actually like fake meat, they're just like veg. So yeah, like I thought it was going to look like that, but it was one of the like vegan patties. And I later had to go up and I was like, is this definitely vegan? And he was like, yeah, but it was actually so good. So highly recommend that place. There wasn't that many people at it, but it was really good. But we're in for the night now. We're going to go to the gym tomorrow, so early night. We haven't really been sleeping that great here. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm staying up way later and then obviously waking up early because of the light and stuff. But yeah, wrecked after the day. And look at the sunburn. How embarrassing. Like, thank God for this, because we just got a power cut. Whoop whoop. This happens how many times a day?
2 fucking many.
A lot. So like, if you're coming here, prepare for the electric to go out at any time.
Siargao the next valley.
And people say, a lot of people have said like, they like say Siargao is like Bali and it's like the next Bali. I highly disagree, but we'll not get into that. But yeah, the power cuts out a lot here, like at least 3 times a day I would say. Oh, there we go, it's back on again. So yeah, just keep in mind that. And it's always been annoying too, like when it goes off in the middle of the night, because then the aircon turns off and then it doesn't automatically turn back on again, so you wake up in like a puddle of sweat. So yeah. Good morning guys, I'm looking very greasy because I've just lathered myself in moisturiser. But we got up this morning, went to the gym. I actually done like a proper CrossFit open workout and felt quite good doing it, so yeah, that's a plus. We were on our way back home from the gym and seen these blackest clouds and we're like, oh my god, and then it started lashing rain when we were driving back. We didn't really make it in, but it was like good enough timing. And then we came in and got showered and the power cut off, and then like it came on again in like 2 minutes and then started like thundering and stuff, and then it's went off, and it's been off for a good maybe 25 minutes now. So no signal, no Wi-Fi, no electric. Doogie was in the shower when it like went off, and there must be like some sort of like pump that like has so much water, and then it must have ran out now because the electric's off. So thankfully I got in and washed my hair and all, thank God. Needed it so badly, but I'm not really sure what we're going to do because we don't really want to drive into the town to maybe go and sit in a cafe or something in case they've got no Wi-Fi either. Like, it's usually like a whole island sort of thing. So yeah, just an FYI, if you do come here, this is possible, and do you know what I mean? It's just, you have to get on with it, and like the signal is bad that you can't really like hotspot off your phone or anything. So yeah, it's 3 o'clock and we're finally making it out of the house for something to eat. Between the rain and the power cut, we've been in the house the entire day. Oh my god, this is well needed. I'm so hungry. Guys, we're trying these wee buns. We got recommended these. Shout out Dave, you're definitely not watching this. It's just on the side of the street beside the chapel / church. Not really sure.
Beside the basketball court with no net
we have been
or
trying
fucking
to
room.
find this girl since we've been here and she's never here, so I'm not sure what her working hours
Church
are.
4 hours a week, 4 hour week.
Yep, so let's try them. They're actually warm. They're nice. They're not life changing, but they're nice.
Me child.
I just love bread.
Same.
Like, honestly, it's nice. It is nice. It's nice and sweet.
Oh, the fuck's inside?
What's inside?
Open up.
They are good.
Yeah.
Oh no, they are good.
Go see her. She's right there.
Right, it's finally looking a bit clear. We're gonna go to this. It's called Sunset Bridge. I think a lot of like wee trucks and stuff go out and you get like drinks and stuff at it. So we're gonna see if that's actually the case. Dookie's gonna bring the drone, see if see if it's actually good, and then we're gonna try that Kermit again for dinner the night. So we're gonna go a bit earlier, like to prepare. Yesterday we did go like 8, but if we go at maybe like 6:30, 7, maybe we'll see. If not, God knows where we'll end up. Oh, this looks so good. Yum.
Orange.
Right, we're just back in from dinner there. I would recommend that place. It was really, really nice. So I would recommend just going a bit earlier, like maybe going like 6, half 6, like everyone that came that time got in and got a seat right away. It was just around like 7, half 7, and there started to be a bit of a queue. But yeah, it was really, really nice. We're just back in the room now. We need to sort our suitcases out because there is shit everywhere, and we have to get up at like 4:30 tomorrow because our flight's at 7:25. But like, this wee airport is tiny. Like, I mean, you could walk through it in like a minute. So I'm like, why do we need to be there early? But the transfer's lifting us at 5, so whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one, which will be Boracay. I'm so excited. We're staying in a really nice hotel as well, so you'll see all that in my next video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.